Finally, iOS 17 official has launched by Apple, and unfortunately, it does not support the iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and the iPhone 8. That's why I make this video to update you about the iOS 17 stock wallpaper. At least you can get this amazing iOS 17 stock wallpaper with HD quality. So all you have to do, just go ahead and download the app called Wallpaper Central, where you can download on the App Store. So just go ahead and go into the App Store, and you're gonna search for Wallpaper Central, just like that, and then you're gonna hit on the search button, and under here you're gonna find this application with 4.6 star rate. It is a pretty good application. You can download a ton of wallpaper, not only iOS 17 stock wallpaper, but there are many more. Now let me open it, and then you're gonna find a ton of beautiful wallpaper. So now we're gonna focus on iOS 17 stock wallpaper. You're gonna go into search, and you're gonna search for iOS 17, just like that. Click on the search button, and then after a few seconds you're gonna find this right here. There are 3 different wallpaper, but this one, it is exactly the same as the iOS 17. So just go ahead and click on it, and then you're gonna click on the download button to save the wallpaper into your camera roll on your iPhone. And after that, it has been saved into my camera roll. Now let me go back into photo, and then under photo you're gonna find this new amazing wallpaper. And all you have to do, just go ahead and set it as a wallpaper on your iPhone 8, 8 Plus, or the iPhone 8. And you're gonna click on use as wallpaper. And you can also like customize the font style for the clock. Let's say I'm gonna go into this one, and then click on done. And from here you're gonna click on customize home screen. If you don't like the blur option for the home screen, I'm gonna disable it, and now click on done. That's it. It is very simple. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then I will see you guys in the next one.